Good morning, student. Today we are going to revise the poem The Voice of the Rain by Walt Whitman. It is a very beautiful poem by the poet Walt Whitman because in this poem the poet depicted the procedure of rain, and here he personification, that is the figure of speech, because rain, that is a non-living object, is presented as a living here. First line, and who art thou? Art means are. Thou, you. Who are you? Said I to the soft falling shower. The soft falling rain. The poet asked, who are you? Which is strange to tell. Rain gave him the very strange answer, gave me an answer as here translated. And the answer is translated here in the words of poet. I am the poem of the earth, said the voice of the rain. Poem means poem that full of music, full of rhythm, full of rhyming words. It is really beautiful, full of sweetness and harmony. Same here. Rain provides a type of harmony and sweetness to our earth. Said the voice of rain. Eternal, it will be forever. I rise impalpable because we can't see it, we can't touch it, out of the land in the form of evaporation and the bottomless sea. The procedure of evaporation continuously from the land and the bottomless sea upwards to heaven. Heaven means sky. The procedure of evaporation always continue towards the sky, vaguely form, altogether change and yet the same. Here is irony. Irony means two different meaning of object put together, vaguely form in the form of different manners, all together change. Evaporation form the clouds, all the clouds are different in shape, but the procedure of making clouds and the containing is same. I descend to lave the drought. Lave, it means lavish, beautify. Drought, the dry object on the earth. Atom is the part of atoms, the part of dust, layer of the globe. Before the rainy season, all the atmosphere, plants, trees full of dust and full of dried atom is part of the dust, and all that in them without me were seeds only latent and born. First of all, I want to clear first line also. Before the rainy season, all the atmosphere looks full of dust and very dirty. The leaf of the plants are full of dust, full of atomic soil layer. But after rain, complete atoms, complete dust, all was maybe washed from the atmosphere. It looks beautiful, fresh, and lively, and all that in them without me, seeds only latent unborn. Latent and born. When we bury a seed under the earth, that only because of rain it is able to be become a sprout. Without rain, the seed will die. It will not be born. Forever by day and night I give back to life my own origin. Life, give life to back my own origin. Student, in the previous passage, previous extract, the rain says that rain evaporate from the land and the bottomless sea. It means the origin of the rain are land and sea. It give back to the life to them. It means in the procedure of raining, first of all the land, it means the earth that provide beauty, provide freshness, prosperity, greenery by the rain. And ocean, also rain is a blessing, rain is a boon for the creature of ocean also, and make pure and beautify it. Only because of rain our atmosphere, all the surroundings looks beautiful. For song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, wrecked or unwrecked, daily with love returns. For song. The falling of rain is full of music, various kind of music, but only who can understand it? The person who just want to listen the music by the heart. From its birthplace, after fulfillment, wandering. It means after fulfillment, after quench the thirst of the earth, after quench the thirst of the ocean creatures, and after satisfied the requirement of all and everyone, every creature on the earth, then it wandered in the form of clouds, wrecked or unwrecked daily with love return. Either you notice it or not, but it will continue to the doing the same procedure, provide love, provide prosperity, provide the pleasure to all the creatures on the earth, to every object on the earth, to every part of the earth. Students, it's very beautiful poem. I hope you enjoyed it. And tomorrow we will discuss the question based on this extract. Goodbye.